That wasn't Aunt Carla. That was Aunt Carla. That was Aunt Carla. That was me.
Yes.
That was my picture. That wasn't her. You try to say I look like her? I don't look like her.
Huh?
I don't look like her. Ew.
Sorry.
Stop her. Okay. What are you grabbing at my shirt for? Nippy. What's my name?
Dad.
What's my name?
Deal.
Ashley.
Deal.
Say Ashley.
Deal.
What you say calling her name for?
Deal.
Teal. My name is not no Teal.
Let me show you these dresses, girl.
Tay, come here.
Can I show you these dresses? Hey, yo, Sean. You don't
Come
want to see
here.
this stuff.
You don't want to record no more?
Huh?
You don't want to see yourself?
I'm gonna see it.
Hmm?